Sai. Today I conduct the Independence GK quiz 40 marks. I conduct it. Are you prepared GK quiz?
Yes.
Yeah. Shall I start the GK? All the best for your GK. Happy Independence Day.
Thank you.
My dear son. Okay, shall I start? Let's start with the GK. Yeah, first question. 40 questions. First one. Who was known as the father of revolutionary thoughts? A is the Lal Bahadur Shastri and B is the Dadabhai Naoroji. C is the Mahatma Gandhi. D is the Bipin Chandra Pal. 4 options is gave. Which one is the correct one?
Bipin Chandra Pal.
Bipin Chandra Pal. D is the option is correct one. Very good. Next, second one. Who became the first president of the Indian National Congress? A is the Surendranath Banerjee and B is the Dadabhai Naoroji. C is the Umesh Chandra Banerjee and D is the Gopala Krishna Gokhale. Which one is the correct one?
C1.
Our option is C. Very good. Correct option. And next question, third one. Who wrote the national anthem of India? A is the Gopala Krishna Gokhale and B is the Rabindranath Tagore. C is the Umesh Chandra Banerjee and D is the Surendranath Banerjee.
B1.
Your option is correct one. Very good. Next, fourth one. The official Independence Day celebrations by the Indian government takes place at A is the Red Fort and B is the Taj Mahal and C is the Qutb Minar and D is the Rashtrapati Bhavan.
Red Fort.
Red Fort. Your option is correct one. Next question. Who was the first Governor General of India after independence? A is Rajagopalachari and B is the Lord Mountbatten and C is the Archibald Wavell and D is the Jawaharlal Nehru.
A1.
A. Rajagopalachari. Very good. Your option is correct one. Next question. How many spokes are there in the Ashoka Chakra wheel on the Indian national flag? A is the 1 and B is the 12 and C is the 24 and D is the 48.
24.
24. Your option is correct one. Next question. Who designed the President National Flag? A is the Mahatma Gandhi, B is the Pingali Venkaiah and C is the Rabindranath Tagore and D is the Ram Prasad Bismil.
Pingali Venkaiah.
Pingali Venkaiah. Your option is correct one. Next question. 8th question. Who first addressed Mahatma Gandhi as the father of nation? A is the Mahatma Gandhi, B is the Rabindranath Tagore and C is the Subhash Chandra Bose and D is the Ram Prasad Bismil.
Subhash Chandra Bose.
Subhash Chandra Bose. Your option is correct. Next question. Who was the first woman president of the Indian National Congress? A is the Kamala Nehru and B is the Anne Besant, C is the Sarojini Naidu, D is the Indira Gandhi.
Sarojini Naidu.
Sarojini Naidu. Your option is correct one. Next, 10th question. Jhansi is located in which Indian state? A is the Uttarakhand and B is the Uttar Pradesh and C is the Madhya Pradesh and D is the Maharashtra.
Uttar Pradesh.
Uttar Pradesh. Your option is correct one. Next question. 11th question. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel's statue in Gujarat is also known as A is the Statue of Freedom and B is the Statue of Diversity and C is the Statue of Liberty and D is the Statue of Unity.
Statue of Unity.
Statue of Unity. Very good. Correct option. Next question. 12th one. Which one of the following is not a movement started by Mahatma Gandhi? A is the Quit India, B is the Salt Satyagraha and C is the Swadeshi and D is the Non-Cooperation.
Swadeshi.
Swadeshi. Very good. Your option is correct one. Next question. 13th question. Who is known as the Iron Man of India? A is the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel and B is the Mahatma Gandhi, C is the Subhash Chandra Bose and D is the Jawaharlal Nehru.
Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel.
Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Very good. Your option is correct one. Next question. Name the freedom fighter who died in jail due to hunger strike. A is the Bipin Chandrapal and B is the Bhagat Singh and C is the Mahatma Gandhi and D is the Jitendranath Das.
Jitendranath Das.
Very good. Your option is correct one. Next question, 15th question. Who was the first president of India? A is the Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan and B is the Jawaharlal Nehru and C is the Zakir Hussain and D is the Rajendra Prasad.
D1.
D. Your option is correct one. Next question, 16th question. Who was the second Prime Minister of India? A is the Jawaharlal Nehru and B is the Indira Gandhi and C is the Lal Bahadur Shastri and D is the Rajiv Gandhi.
Lal Bahadur Shastri.
Lal Bahadur Shastri. Option is correct one. Or option correct one. Next, 17th question. When was English East India Company established? A is the 1893 AD and next B is the 1857 AD and C is the 1600 AD and D is the 1710 AD.
1600
AD. Your option is correct one only. Next question, 18th question. Whose famous slogan "Give me blood and I will give you freedom"? A is the Mahatma Gandhi and B is the Sarojini Naidu, C is the Subhash Chandra Bose and D is the Rani Lakshmibai.
Subhash Chandra Bose.
Subhash Chandra Bose. Correct option. Next one, 19th question. Who became the first Prime Minister of India after independence? A is the Mahatma Gandhi, B is the Sarojini Naidu, C is the Subhash Chandra Bose and D is the Jawaharlal Nehru.
Jawaharlal Nehru.
Jawaharlal Nehru. Correct option. Next, 20th question. Who said Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it? A is the Balagangadhar Tilak, B is the Sarojini Naidu, C is the Rani Lakshmibai and D is the Jawaharlal Nehru.
Balagangadhar Tilak.
Balagangadhar Tilak. Your option is correct one only. Next, 21 question. What is the national motto of India? A is the Vriksho Rakshitaha and B is the Satyameva Jayate, C is the Vande Mataram, D is the Jai Hind.
B1.
B Satyameva Jayate. Your option is correct one only. Next question, 22nd question. In the Indian national flag, saffron represents. A is the peace, B is the truth and C is the courage and D is the prosperity.
Courage.
Courage. Next, 23rd question. What is the national calendar of India? A is the Shatavana and B is the Maurya and C is the Hindu and D is the Shaka.
D Shaka.
Shaka is correct. Your option is correct one only. Next, 24th question. What is the theme for Independence Day celebrations 2024? A is the Self-Reliant India and B is the Viksit Bharat or Developed India and C is the Nation First, Always First and D is the none of the above.
Viksit Bharat. B1.
B is correct option. Your option is correct one only. Next question, 25th question. The famous quote, a trust with destiny is given by. A is the Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, B is the Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru and C option is Mahatma Gandhi and D1 is the Abdul Kalam Azad.
Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru.
Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Very good. Next question, 26th. When the Jallianwala Bagh massacre took place, A is the 10th April 1917 and B is the 13th April 1918 and C is the 9th April 1916 and D is the 13th April 1919.
D1.
D is your option is correct one. Next question, 27th. When was non-cooperation movement started? A option is 1919, B is the 1920, C is the 1921, D is the 1922.
1920.
20, your option is correct one. Next question, 28th question. What does the blue wheel the appears in the Indian national flag stand for? First one, the wheel of law of justice, and B is the wheel of religion, and C is the wheel of Krishna, D is the wheel of fortune.
The wheel of
First one.
B1.
B, your option is correct one only. Next, 29th question. East India Company started trade with India from which city? A is Bombay, B is Surat, and C is the Madras, and D is the Calcutta.
Surat.
Surat. Your option is correct one only. Next question. 30 question. Which one was the first major battle fought by British East India Company? A is the Battle of Plassey, and B is the Battle of Bhaskar, and C is the Revolt of 1857, and D is the Battle of Panipat.
Battle of
Plassey. Very good. Your option is correct one only. Next question. 31. During which movement Mahatma Gandhi gave the call for do or die? A is the Khilafat movement, and B is the non-cooperation movement, and C is the Salt Satyagraha, and D is the Quit India movement.
Quit India movement.
Quit India movement. Your option is correct one only. Next question. 32 question. What was the name of the mission sent by British government to India to seek cooperation during World War II? A is the Cripps mission, B is the Simon Commission, C is the United Kingdom Cabinet mission, and D is the Morley Minto mission.
Cripps mission.
Cripps mission. Your option is correct one only. Next 33 question. What does the three colors of national flag represent? A is the justice, selflessness, agriculture, and B is the religion, peace, trees, and next C1 is the sacrifice, peace, and prosperity, and D is the none of these.
D1.
D, your option is correct one only. Next question 34. Which of the following freedom fighters was sentenced to death for his involvement in Kapori rail robbery? A is the Asafullah Khan, and B is the Ali brothers, and C is the Rajguru, and D is the Banwarilal.
Asafullah Khan.
Asafullah Khan. Very good. Your option is correct one only. Next 35 question. The rebellion of 1857 started from which city? A is the Karachi, and B is the Calcutta, and C is the Delhi, and D is the Meerut.
D1.
D is correct. Next question. 36 question. The patriotic poem Sarfaroshi Ki Tamanna was written by A is the Kartar Singh Saraba, and B is the Ram Prasad Bismil, and C is the Muhammad Iqbal, and D is the Bankim Chandra Chatterjee.
B1.
B. Ram Prasad Bismil. Next 37. Who was the first Indian revolutionary to assassinate a British official in India? A is the Udham Singh, and B is the Vinayak Damodar Sarwarkar, and C is the Madan Lal Dhingra, and D is the Shyamji Krishna Varma.
Madan Lal Dhingra.
Madan Lal Dhingra. Very good. Your option is correct one. Next 38 question. Who put forward the theorem of drain of wealth? A is the Rabindranath Tagore, B is the Dadabhai Naoroji, and C is the Lal Lajpati Rai, D is the Bipin Chandra Pal.
B1.
B is Dadabhai Naoroji. Very good. Your option is correct one only. Next 39th question. Who wrote the poem Sahare Jahan Si Hacha? A is the Muhammad Iqbal, and next B is the Dadabai, and C is the Sair Ludhianvi, and D is the Guljar.
A1 Mohammad
A is the
Iqbal.
Muhammad Iqbal. Very good. Your option is correct one only. Next question. 40. Last question. Which Indian city is known as the city of prime ministers? A is the Varanasi, and B is the Allahabad, and C is the Ahmedabad, and D is the Bhopal.
B1.
Very good. It's over. All are the 40 questions. 40 marks. All are the 40 questions. All are correct only. So your score is 40 only. So very good, Gagan Sai. Keep it up. Say bye.